Hey guys, my daughter's just about to walk into the room, but oh well. The show must go on.
Darcy!
Hello, Das.
Hello.
I'm recording a video on the internet.
No.
Put them down, they're wire strippers. Watch. Do you like that?
I like that.
Don't touch it then, leave it, because they're going to be soldered to it. What we're doing today is we're trying to accomplish a sophisticated system where we solder in actual fact. We're making a system where we solder to it and then power off of the wall. We use the automatic wire strippers for a baby toy, and to do that the best way usually is like this. We use that and then we solder to the actual wire just to begin with. We put flux into the iron's tip and then we solder to the positive and the bottom negative, which has got to be two Duracells really to make it ideal location for doing this thing. This could go extremely wrong. I'm not even wearing eyeglasses right now, but if you heat it for the right amount of time, you shouldn't run into any problems whatsoever. And if you keep it well fluxed down, just in general, really, as a general tip, you shouldn't run into any major problems, he says. But if you keep it well fluxed, just make sure you don't get on this top hat that I just have, because that'll heat up. But if you keep it well fluxed, watch this job go easy and smooth and fairly quick, if I'm honest. And then we just tip that in. That's positive. Let's get that positive and negative. Solder that back around. Positive. Oh, where's my solder boy? I love you, Kaz. I love you. Not yet. Still in progress at this current moment in time. And like I said, yet again, if you keep it well fluxed, you're not going to really run into any major issues with this. Keeping it well fluxed is purely essential because it cleans the metal with the weak acid as soon as the soldering iron tip touches and allows the solder to run and flow clean. So by doing that, you're basically saving your life in a way, because if you didn't do that, guarantee you'd have a battery or two blow up in your face. But as soon as it fents, it goes straight out the window, because that's what I've trained myself to really do with this system that I have in place. The first time a battery fented on me in the bedroom, I was like, oh shit, run. But I didn't run for long, obviously. I managed to get back and get it out of the house before it caught on fire, really. Don't think I'm going to get that second chance today, though. I reckon the battery just vigorously exploded. It's not actually very hot, and if we were to use temperature probes right now on it, it probably wouldn't be very hot. I shouldn't imagine. It's more of a point of, don't let her in here. There we go, we solder to that. Flux. Dip. It's a bit too much, but it doesn't matter. And then put the flux tub back in. I'll use the old flux. I prefer a bit of the old flux, mate. Right, see you in a bit.